Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Palantir. Got a bunch of information come out about Palantir today, and just wanted to do an update on them and see who out there is holding it and what your cost basis is and everything. But again, this is what it looks like here over the last 3 months. It's been up to the $25, $26 range. And coming down, testing the 21. Here it was 18.37, and currently at 21.25. So this one's kind of been on the downhill here in the last month, and maybe starting to pull out of it. Looks like it hit the dip here on May 13th. But a lot of information coming out here. Like I said, Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. If you don't know what this one is, feel free to pause and go over this information there for yourself. We'll go over a little bit more here later in the video. It's been around since 2003, headquartered in Denver, Colorado, with a $38 billion market cap, volume of 96 million, and not too bad of ratings. Currently at a hold. I don't currently own any of this one in this particular account, but I just kind of watch it and pick up the dips when I can. So, but over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a hold, and this is a look at bar chart. Currently at 21.23, previous close at 20.75, volume of 42 million, almost 43 million. And average volume of 64,200,000. And here's kind of a 3-month chart, kind of some of the volatility that we've already looked at with this one. Market cap of $37,812,040. Shares outstanding 1,822,267, and an annual income. And feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there yourself. So kind of goes over the implied volatility, and currently as a hold out of 4 analysts, 1 showing it a buy, 1 hold, 2 a strong sell. So kind of all over the board with this one. This is their actual website. Here's their different products: the Gotham, Foundry, Apollo. Here's kind of some of their solutions. I haven't looked into too many of their products in depth. I've just been kind of mostly interested in their stock and the stock price and what it's been doing. But there's all kinds of things here on their website. Power real-time decisions. So if you're a computer guy into these type of products, you might take a look here at their particular website. Is now the time to buy Tesla, Palantir, or NEO. And I just made a NEO video earlier today. It's having a pretty decent day. One of the most common questions is why is it moving? And so whenever I see one, I start researching it and see what's going on with it, and see why it's moving. Wells Fargo initiated coverage on Tesla with an equal weight and a 590 price target. Palantir confirmed via press release Monday morning that it will support the United States Space Force and the United States Air Force by providing its software to critical missions of the Department of the Air Force, Space, and Missile Systems. And here's a little bit about NEO. And over here to this is newsheater.com. Writing the trend or protecting profits, Palantir Technologies, PLTR. And as you can see, this is just dated here today. Went up 0.68% from the latest closing price compared to the recent 1-year high of $45. The company stock price has collected 3.34% of gains from the last 5 trading sessions. And is it worth getting into Palantir? This kind of gives some of the ratings, which we've already went over. Average price from analysts is 22. which is $1.68 above the current price. Palantir currently traded public float of 1.33 billion, and currently shorts hold a 4.66% ratio of that float. Here's kind of some other performance and an analyst's opinion of Palantir. We've kind of already went over some of that, and we'll go over some more here later. Palantir might be worth trading after consolidating around $20. Again, this is just a couple hours ago here today. So again, on Benzinga, Palantir is consolidating, is now worth considering a speculative trade on the long side. Co-host on Monday. Palantir confirmed Monday that it will support the U.S. Space Force and U.S. Air Force in providing its software and critical missions in a $32.5 million deal. So this could be a catalyst for the stock. There is room for up to the $25 level on Palantir. So if we get that contract to get it going through, get all that on its way, you probably could see a $25 price on Palantir. Recommended a tight stop loss, but put in place below the $20 level, because although Palantir is consolidating, the stock is still in a downtrend. The pre-market prep co-host noted, as a trader, always think about what you can lose, but what you can make. The stock break through the 2116 level Monday. Added that he thinks it could trade up to 2162. Analysts' means recommendation for Palantir Technologies was 3.20 is this key time, and this is also dated here today. So the price at $20.75 after the most recent trading session. At the very opening of the session, the stock price was $20.84, reached a high of $21.16. Prior to closing, the session reached the value of $20.61. And the stock touched a low price of $20.47. And feel free to pause and go over the rest here for yourself. Kind of goes over the 52-week high. Already went over quite a bit of that information. Here's another analyst. Technical rundown of Palantir. In a period of the last 50 days, it is at 35.48%. The results represent a downgrade in opposed to the raw stochastic average for the period of the last 20 days, recording 51.28% in last 20 days. Next, Palantir Technologies will reward your patience, but also may test it. And since I've been watching this one, it's kind of done that. It's rewarded, but tested patience, just like some other ones. May have a growing rapidly in 2021, but the investors in Palantir stock have enjoyed the ride. The stock has significantly declined over the past few months and is down 50% from the peak. It is exchanging hands at around $21 today. After going public last year for $10 per share, the company has significantly shot up in terms of value. The valuation has gone from $16.5 billion to $39 million. So that's almost tripling, or doubling, and we'll just call it 2.5. Tripling would be about 48. So sorry about that quick math off the top of my head, but anyway, you get the point. Robust fundamentals, and feel free to pause and go over that. So it's been up a 49% rise year over year. Government revenue stood at $208 million. The commercial revenue was $133 million. Its average revenue per customer increased to $8.1 million from $7.9 million in 2020, and has picked up as compared to the past year. Over here to Reddit. Let's See if there's any updated information. 1 month ago, 16 days ago, we'll go over to StockTwits. So could have got into it at 890, 52-week low, high of 45. Red tomorrow when the market goes red. Don't sell, you might miss the rocket if it pumped $3 in pre-market tomorrow. Does Israel work for Palantir? Currently trading at an extremely important area. Well, there you go. Our work today will not go unnoticed. Look out, shorty, we're coming to clap those butt cheeks. Oh, gotta love it, StockTwits. Like I've said numerous times, you never know what you're gonna find here, and I should pre-screen it, but that's kind of the fun, just having it be a surprise. So, Squeeze City is coming for these. You can't say it. Virgin Galactic. I just did a video about that earlier. Fubo, Palantir, and Churchill. Did a couple Churchill videos. Have not purchased skills, and I would have to double check, but I'm pretty sure I haven't made any skills videos either. Oh, Casino. Gotta love that movie. That's pretty cool. Love her up. But that's about all the information there. This is showing 21.21 with a 2.5% upside with 21.75 and currently at a hold. High of 30, low at 17. So this one doesn't move a whole lot. So like I said, it's been volatile. 26 to the 21 range, or to the 18 range. So there is a little bit of volatility, but it kind of stays in that $10 range from 18 to 26. So, but if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. That would be interesting to know. And if you have any further information on this one that we could all share. Again, I thank you for watching the videos. We hit 900 subscribers over the weekend, and I thank you for everybody that subscribed. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 as soon as I can, and we'll just try to take it to the next level. So again, I thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling for It Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.